Ayeba asingeneni ku hot topic yetu ya namhlanje. Hi 326 Express, hope you are doing well. I would appreciate it if you read my hot topic. I'm a 29-year-old man and an only child to my parents. My mom is 51 and my dad is turning 60 next year. May 2022, mama vakaonekwa kuti vane chirwere chedementia after an incident inotonyadzisa kutaura paradio yaitika kumaraini. She was prescribed mishonga and I was making sure I bought mishonga iyi nezvese zvinodiwa every month. It seemed to get better mazuva ekutanga, but I noticed kuti by October 2022 it was getting worse. Vanga vakurasa nyaya pandinotaura navo pa phone, and I shared my concerns with my dad, who just brushed it off vachiti zviri normal kuma patients dementia. Ini I suspected kuti she might not be taking her medication religiously since vaigara vari two kufarm nevashandi. I work in Harare, but since I was given assurance namudhara kuti zvese bo, ndakango-relaxa ndichiti ndozonovaona muna December 2022 pa Christmas. 14 December, a day I will never forget. I got a call from Dara kuti mama is nowhere to be found. She had been missing for 2 days, and they had not told me because they didn't want me to be worried. Ndikakuudzai kuti kusvika nhasi havasati vawanikwa, and it pains my heart to think about it. Problem, baba vakatonumburisa imwe single mother, and he wants to marry her. As if that's not enough. Vakarorwa vari kuuya pamba paamai vangu ipapa. Why move on so fast? Ndizvo here hama dzangu. Now I'm starting to believe makuhwa ari kunzi vari kuziva zvakaitika kuna mama. Vanozoti mama paanouya because I'm doing everything in my power to make sure she comes back to us. I'm so positive that she'll come back to us. Just that dementia will not make it easy. Iyo hot topic yetu namhlanje.
So his mom goes missing, right? And so it's been 2 years now. Mama vaita missing.
Yes.
And then kushika pana pa kushika zwara nhasi hapana ari kuziva kuti chii chakaitika musi wa 14 December 2022. And then 2 years later baba vatonumburisa imwe single mother yemuraini and wants to marry her. And on top of that he wants to bring the single mother mumba mama yava na baba.
Yes.
So he is asking for the son's blessing.
Yeah, I think not necessarily, but I think the son is actually sharing a situation, and probably so he is, because it's the only son, and I think it's the only relative that he has.
Yes. So is it a good thing that he moved on quickly? And I heard ndaanzwa achiti hanzi pane makuhwa ari kunzi baba uri kuziva zvakaitika kuna maya, and he's starting to believe those rumors. Okay. So please let us know what you do in this situation. Would you give your father the blessing to go ahead and because Veringa pekupedzisira azonyora kuti chi, what kind of help does he want?
Okay, pekupedzisira azonyora kuti okay, now I'm starting to believe makuhwa ari kunzi vari kuziva zvakaitika kuna mama. Vanozoti mama pavanouya because I'm doing everything in my power to make sure she comes back. I'm so positive that she'll come back to us. Just that dementia will not make it easy.
Yes.
My dad is asking for my blessing. Is it fair for him to remarry? Is 2 years a long time, Naim?
So the dad is asking him to be on board with this idea of marrying another woman.
Right.
But the mom is not. The mom is just not nowhere to be found. But she's very much alive, and he believes that. And he believes he's going to find the mom.
Right.
Andise mwana hapana zvangapindira angangochengeta amai vake. Ngavasiye vakadaro.